So this is the most underrated feature for any Samsung Galaxy users, and that is the ability to access your favorite applications quickly using this shortcut called Edge Panels. Now you can also use this to access any settings or anything that you'd actually like. To enable this, all you have to do is first of all go to settings. Then once you go to settings, you have to go to display, and when you go to display, here you'll find the option called Edge Panels, which is over here. All you need to do is make sure to turn Edge Panels on. So under panels, you can simply select the favorite application that you want to show. So here in this case, I can select edit. I can choose a list of applications and add them to my home screen. Similarly, I can just show it for live messages, people, smart select, or even certain tasks or weather. So let's say I want weather app to be shown, I'll just select weather here. If I want tools, then I'll also select tools over here. I can also select reminder and clipboard. Once I've done that, I can just come back. I can select the handle over here, such as the low, the sensitivity, the size, the width, and everything else. And then if I just swipe like this from the home screen, I'll be able to see my weather as well as my favorite applications. And I can simply click on either of these to be able to access them very quickly by simply swiping from the right or the left, depending upon where you've put them. And this is one of the most underrated feature for any Samsung Galaxy user, that is Edge Panels. I personally use them a lot because I don't want my home screen to be cluttered up, and at the same time, whenever I go to this app screen, it's just too messed up as well. So I don't want that to be happen. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.